This morning, I opened the curtains, and I saw a bird on the balcony railing. It was just standing there, looking around. It didn't fly away, even when I moved the curtain. I stood still and watched it quietly. Its feathers looked smooth, and the sunlight was warm. The bird didn't seem afraid of anything. For a few seconds, it felt like the world paused. There was no sound, just me and the bird. I didn't want to move. I didn't want to break the moment. Then, the bird looked around one more time and flew away. I stayed there for a few more seconds. I smiled. What a simple, quiet way to start the day.
Open the curtains. Balcony railing. Look around. Fly away. Stood still. Sunlight. Seem afraid. Pause. Break the moment. Start the day.